drug addictions, bad bitches, they gotta be jokes. See the Pico, black slacks, it's all.
What's good, yo? We back, RTTV.
Gang.
Let's talk about it.
And if it's your first time here, it definitely won't be your last, so make sure you click that subscribe button.
Click that.
And the moment y'all been waiting for, man, for a nice squad, you feel me? Limited time only. We got the RTTV merch available down in the description, so make sure you guys check that out, man. Support the squadron. You already know the landline.
Exclusive shit. Make sure that notification bell is ringing, so every time we drop a video, you know about it first.
Yeah.
Look like somebody got a diss, made a diss in honor of Eminem before Eminem.
The Eminem stand.
That's real fandom right there, yo. Yo, I'm gonna diss this nigga before you even get a chance. I'm gonna take shots. Yo, I'm gonna send the warning shots. Don't worry, Em. I got you.
But that's how faithful and loyal Eminem's fans
So
are.
fan, this, MGK? Eminem stand, bro.
Oh, no, shout out to him.
Yeah,
next nigga to come on Kanye, Drake better watch out. Drake better watch out, because I might diss that nigga. What the fuck?
Get him well.
Yep.
See him in person, and I'm seeing a ghost.
Wow.
Yo, man, but we about to get right into it on a Rap Devil beat. Eminem-pac MGK diss part 2.
Pretty sure it's back in.
I want to.
Rest in peace, Mac Miller. It's for the love of hip hop and battle rap. We gotta keep it alive.
Yo, this nigga sound just like Eminem, though.
You're posting. I wrote you, but you still haven't posted. The only time you rocked the full house was when you were hosting. Anyways, fuck it, man. How's your little daughter? Hopefully not getting involved with needles like a drug addicted father.
Whoa.
I'm on another plane, I'm so awoken. You trying to emerge and see, but crash, you suddenly choking. And when I'm home alone, bitch, you still Macaulay Culkin. Right ahead is machine gun Kelly broken. Tough little pistol Kelly. Shit, I fist you so hard till I hit your belly. This dude is anorexic, someone get him a sandwich mixed with jelly. I'm not even really. I'm bumming.
Yo, the pictures are so perfect with this shit.
I'm coming for your wrist, though, Kelly. Come at me, dog, I'm sick. Polio. These haters are all liars coming out the woodwork like Pinocchio. I hate these mumble rappers. They go da-da-da-dee. Catch me in a Maserati. The fucking Bugatti that I don't own. I'm written to be somebody. I don't know. Don't you know? I don't know. I'm a jam about getting sidetracked. Back to Kelly, the fake Machiavelli. Bandana around your nose, just fucking do it. Hang yourself, stupid. And on your wall, take a pic. Jump off the roof, finally make a hit. You shady's bitch, about to get smoked like a Jamaican split. You swear to get chopped up into bacon bits. What was I saying? Shit. Oh yeah, I wanna let people know this, that I noticed the comments that I'm a shady opponent.
Sounds like Eminem.
And I'm delusional. There's something you should know. I'm not a lunatic. I just knew this shit that I used to give myself exposure at work, and I'm on the news and shit. You're laughing at me while I'm here laughing at y'all. Talking shit behind a computer surrounded by walls. And I'm getting paid. Probably fucking you, bitch. That's why she doesn't answer your calls. So fuck you. Fuck all of y'all. I hate these mumble rappers. Me and a Maserati. Fucking Bugatti. They don't own. I rent and they be somebody. I don't know.
Marshall is taking too long. Time for the stands to unite, to stand up and fight. Raising the standards like I even stand for the evidence. But still standoffish. You understanding my lines? Dismantling mics with candles to light. Let's go. Rap devils getting baptized. The power of Jesus compels you. Exercise from the sky to like Bashir's mom and son. Getting ready to start a disaster. Wiping away you chum. Like switching the carbon reactor. Y'all ain't shit but a calm down. See, man, I'm trashing this rapper.
He really breaks down the bars for you, highlighting shit and everything.
Bitch, wait, you're a shit stain. Your pussy's mad at this clickbait. Fuck it, I'll still stick the tip of my dick in your chick to the clitoris, rips in a million bits and the shit breaks.
Woohoo!
What is that? I don't know, bleep check.
I don't know!
Yo, what up, it's Kills?
What up, it's Kills?
Yo, do a beat on. Okay. Yeah, him and Clippers, his beard's weird. Yeah, and a black shovel. Shovel? Don't you mean shovel? No, I mean shovel. Yeah. What's harder than that? Okay. Yeah. I'm sick of them sweatsuits and them corny hats. Let's talk about it. I'm sick of eating food, and when I see a dude, I just walk around it. I'm sick of pain and sticking, feeling like shit, but I'm still Kelly. So much semen inside of my belly, and now I am feeling it swelling. Damn, shut up, you hell.
Yo, he's really just as
Watermelon gelatin, gone off the deep end like movies and never did. Look like an alien, look like an alien. Chris Hansen want me to catch a man who's been digging with his dick. You put me on the gram again. No one marks panicking. You're gonna get hammered this way. Keep screwing around, you might be the dumbest motherfucker since Justin Bieber. Or Logan Paul when he tried to tweet her. This up against Chris D'Elia. This over-tatted, bony bastards looking like some molten plastics. Tangled in the streets of woven baskets. Hopeless coding addicts. Almost rabbits looking like a Nazi who would vote for fascists. No more acid, no go gadgets. Straight into a closing casket. Like the heads like Sleepy Hollow. Y'all don't know me, but you need to follow. Eminem's a goat and Kelly is dope. But both low notes, not see tomorrow. Damn, that's a hard pill to swallow. Red car now, but I killed the bottle. Takashi in the trunk, Lil Yachty in the front. Yeah, I'm drunk into the wall, bro. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for listening.
That was
Sincerely,
fire.
Stan.
I hate these motherfuckers.
Rapper, they all Maserati, rolling in the Maserati, and Bugatti.
And I don't want my
Maybe somebody, I don't know. Somebody.
I don't know.
Stan song that came to life. Like this is really one of his stands.
I always thought Stan died in that video, but I guess not.
Stan.
There's always gonna be a new stand though.
You're right, yeah.
You feel me? It's like if one stand's gone, it's gonna be a new stand, yo. No bullshit.
That was like the best clickbait video ever.
Ever.
No bullshit.
Ever. I was looking at the comments, yo. I'm like, yo, literally everybody's like, yo, I'm actually happy as shit. I got clickbaited. Like niggas in soup, they got clickbaited and shit. They got 5.6 million views in one day.
He said, I don't know. Live up.
Yeah, no
That was
bullshit.
actually amazing.
Nah,
Even
he
the
actually
visuals
listen.
for it were really funny.
That's what made it stand out too.
Yeah.
It made it easy to follow along. So just in case, like that part where he was like, he put Stan and multiple bars and shit, and he lined it out perfectly so people could notice that. It's like, he probably, yo, he's nice.
His name probably is Stan.
I think he's black and white.
It's probably what
Or Spanish. Or
Nah, I think he's,
He sounds
he's
weird.
Mexican.
I don't know. I don't know. I would
Yo,
Random.
And not only that, he kind of took Eminem style from 8 Mile, where Eminem rapped like Papa Doc, whatever, where he rapped like Machine Gun Kelly.
Oh yeah,
He
yeah.
started the verse up by saying like the verse, let's talk about it, the beard and weird, all that. Took that flow and just dissed Machine Gun Kelly on it. So
Yeah, that shit was clever.
Yo, he sounded like Eminem. Crazy.
Crazy, bro.
Machine Gun Kelly about to have a whole new rap beef on his hands.
I don't know. Eminem's about to use a couple bars off of this shit, bro. Watch.
Eminem laughed when he heard this shit. Like,
Easily, bro.
he might need a feature.
I wouldn't be surprised if
Eminem
he's
might
seen
sign
this.
him.
Cause
I know, right?
this shit had like that many views in one day. I'm pretty sure Eminem's seen this. Yeah.
That's
Hey,
so
Machine Gun Kelly, what about Machine Gun Kelly?
I was gonna say, you think he's gonna react? He's gonna respond,
Machine
yo?
Gun Kelly cannot react. He,
Yeah.
if he reacts
he's
to
gonna look
this,
stupid.
Come on.
Yeah.
See, that's how I feel about Eminem reacting. So now
Nah,
you
nah,
guys
nah.
now you guys see my whole
Eminem's not
thing.
gonna look
This is
stupid.
from
Eminem's
Eminem.
going to react, but he doesn't have to react.
Exactly.
Yeah,
it would be
he
fun if he did, but I just don't
I
think.
think it would be fun if Machine Kelly responded, yo. My man violated him. He
I
said he
think
walks
he would
around
look- I think he would
sandwiches.
look- I think
Eat
he
some
would
peanut
look
butter
stupid.
with the jelly, nigga. Come on, bro.
Look like a broke Brad Pitt. Son. You know, I was like, yo.
Yeah, nah, those a couple sneaky clever bars and that stuff. But overall, whoever this is, man, shout out to you, man. You're the biggest stand in the. You can solidify yourself as being the illest stand of any stand in stand history.
He's the nigga when it was the real Slim Shady. Please stand up.
Yeah.
It's not even stand. This nigga is Slim Shady. This nigga right here who made this shit is Slim Shady.
He set up with Eminem and they were just like, okay, no.
Yeah, he was at the
definitely have a
VMAs
problem.
that year.
Yo, you should diss Joe Biden.
Yeah.
You should diss Joe Biden next, man. That'll be alright.
That'd be lit. Yo, if you're watching this, listen to my boy right here, Joe Budden. This.
Joe Budden will reply to you too.
No, he was responding to Eminem. He ain't responding to nobody else.
Get Eminem, that's why.
Nah, he's gonna blast you on his podcast. He's gonna be like, so little niggas.
Joe Budden is not
Little
Yo, who the
niggas.
fuck is this nigga?
Who the fuck is this nigga? Niggas doing clickbait.
Eminem,
No,
right now,
no.
you're tripping. Eminem kamikaze Eminem will fucking annihilate Joe Budden. Joe Budden hasn't rapped in years.
I just don't think he's scared. I'm not saying Joe's gonna win. I'm just saying I don't think he's
He's probably
scared.
afraid because
yeah,
there's a lot
Joe
going on.
Budden with his way. The rapper Joe, he's not a rapper, so he's scared.
In the words of Remy, he's pussy.
Yo, but like when Drake dissed him or whatever,
Nigga, Drake
Joe
said
Budden had
fuck.
like 4 diss tracks the next day, nigga. Like on
That
next
just,
week.
was
that
still
just tells you
rapping at
that
that
he
time.
was. But wait, nah,
That's
he
the
was
whole
just.
point. He's scared now.
Yeah, he's scared. He has a
But
lot
he
going
wasn't
on. He's
rapping.
like, nah, I'm not.
Because he's scared.
That's like
Man,
Nah, he won't
this
diss-
your first
yeah.
time, man. Definitely won't be your last.
Nah.
Make sure you kill, murder, and
Smash!
that subscribe button. I go by the name Robcityrt, City Haitian Prince Media Kid. Shout out to all my Haitians. Sapa, say, na boule. I say compare.
I say compare. What's good, y'all? Go by the name of DC. Follow me on the Instagram, DCZ_worldRT. Yo, man. MGK, respond, bro. Then Eminem's gonna respond. Respond to him first, though.
You got some moves, my nigga. You like the Dominican Bushido Brown.
Wow. This guy.
It's a man, it's a myth, it's a legend. Lucas_RT. Follow us on every major social media platform. Yo, this stand wraps a lot of your favorite rappers under the table.
Trust
This
Mike.
is worthy.
My favorite rapper, though? Shit.
Yo, it's your boy Wells. You can find me at Wells_RT.
Get him, Wells!
Just know, Drake, if you come at Kanye, you're gonna see that college dropout bear come out.
You better hear Aubrey.
You're gonna have the mask
I'm
on
gonna
right
have that bear suit and I'm gonna diss you, Drake. Alright?
And we not gonna know who it is.
Well, whatever. Patricrt, man, through Dr. Yo. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, link down below for the RTTV.
Get that
merch.
right now.
Make sure you get that.
Drip
Support the squad. You already know, drip and drown.
RT Drip
And that settles it at.
Table.
Table.
It's your boy Wells, YTTV. Man, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, let us know what you think. You know who